Today we're in Bradshaw, famous for its church without a spire and spire without a church. We're going to walk down Bradshaw Valley to Jumbles Reservoir. So I'm going to go through the cricket club, and the car park at the back of the club is one of several ways you can get to Bradshaw Valley. This area was originally farmland and part of the Bradshaw estate. We'll see the remnants of Bradshaw Hall further down the brook towards the fisheries. The cricket club began in 1884. They've got a website, here it is. They've also got an events room for hire. I'm going to head through the car park at the back of the bowling green there, and that takes you back into Bradshaw Valley. The housing estate you can see up ahead was the site of Bradshaw Hall, and later the area became a bleach works. I don't normally do videos of housing estates, but this former bleach works area has got some absolutely amazing houses. Really nice. If we go back into Bradshaw Valley, just round the back of this estate, we can see the remains of Bradshaw Hall. Bradshaws lived here from the 12th to the 18th century. Then the later occupants, the Lomaxes and Hardcastles, developed the bleach works on the site. These constructions are the remains of the management of the brook for the bleaching works. If there was flowing water in Lancashire, there was a mill next to it. From the Valley Walk, you can access the cafe at Bradshaw Fishery. There are 9 ponds in 50 acres of land. The largest pond was originally part of the Bradshaw estate. Here's an aerial view of what used to be Bradshaw Hall and then later a bleach works. The area from the fishery to Jumbles is called Ousel's Nest. Ousel's Nest, now part of the nature reserve, was a former sandstone quarry producing Ousel's Nest grit and later sandstone brick. Closure of the quarry in 1965 led to the land being used as landfill until it was allowed to return to nature and was designated as a local nature reserve in 2013. Jumbles Country Park was opened in 1971 by the Queen. Beneath the reservoir waters lie the remains of Horribin Mill Bleach Works, closed in 1941. The reservoir is fed by Bradshaw Brook, which also feeds the Turton, Entwistle and Wayo reservoirs. So here we are at Jumbles Cafe, open 7 days a week from 10 o'clock till 4 o'clock. To get back to Bradshaw, you walk past the cafe, through the car park, and then that takes you back down into the valley, past the fishery and into Bradshaw village. It's a 3.5 mile circular walk around the reservoir, but if you want to do a longer walk, there are paths all the way to the Wayo Reservoir.